Welcome back. Students of Part3 Government Higher Secondary School boycotted classes on Monday. The protest was led by the Parents Teachers Association. They are agitated over the change of some teachers. Moreover, there is a shortage of teachers for vocational stream.
Number of students boycotted classes on Monday. They are not happy with the education department for changing some teachers. They claim that sudden change of teachers will affect the academic studies of their children.
दुसऱ्या नाटकले पापा आता एकाडेमिक इयर कितें 11-12 एकाडेमिक येयला आता एकाडेमिक इयर म्हणजे याचो अर्थ कितें 4 म्हयन्यांक येवप नाजाल्यार जुनान येवंक ना आसलो एकाडेमिक इयराक तो ताका मदीं हाडटा हेजे प्रॉब्लम जाला शिक्षणाचो स्टडीज जे कितें आहा पळय कॉम्बिनेशन जावचें ना आनी जे टिचर कोणाक अपॉयंट केल्यार ते बेस्ट आहात तांकां प्रॅक्टिकल एक्सपिरियन्स कांयच ना जस्ट पास आउट भुरगे हे भुरगे हांकां कितें शिकयतले म्हणजे कोणाक इफेक्ट जालो ऑटोमॅटीक भुरग्यांक इफेक्ट जालो भुरग्यांक इफेक्ट जालो ऑटोमॅटीक हेंचो रिजल्ट डावन जालो मागीर हेंच्यांनी कितें करूंक आसलें ऑफिशियली असो आहा पळय एक रेकमेंड धाडूंक आसलें.
Assistant Zonal Director of Education Ramesh Dande, Mamladar Bhushan Saverekar, Deputy Collector Rajendra Miraskar along with police personnel reached at the school. Students and PTA members get out the director. Principal of school Shilpa Bale was not happy with this protest.
आम्ही करणार क्लास दिनात आम्ही फक्त पण पाहिले सगळे पेरेंट्स बॉयकॉट करतात म्हणून सांगतात ते पहिले आज ताणी सगळे वेगळेच केला आम्ही कितें करता मना कितें आसता कशें कळटलें पयर येवन ताणी शेनवाराक सांगला आज तांकां विचारला जाल्यार ते तूं जाय तें कर म्हणटा तूं म्हणटा कळय हाका पुलिसाक आड तुजी तूं जाय तें कर आमी आमची करता म्हणटा जालें.
Students and PTA members have threatened to continue their strike on Tuesday also. Our reporter from Part3, Vinod Methar.
And now news from sports. Armando Colaco is back to where he belongs, that is at the Dempo Sports Club. The most successful coach from the Indian football scene is almost near the end of his 4-month tenure as India coach. Armando says he has thoroughly enjoyed his India stint, but he is hurt because the All India Football Federation did not believe in his capabilities to do the job for a longer time.
After doing a wonderful job as interim coach of India following the resignation of Bob Houghton, Armando looked the right man in the job. The Dempo coach cum secretary always believed in a long enough stint to put his plans into practice, but the AIFF shocked Armando with just 1-year contract. Armando naturally returned to his long-time employers, Dempo Sports Club.
And I asked him for a 5-year contract because I already have a 3-year contract with Dempos, a beautiful contract where there's a lot of warmth and affection, and Mr. Dempo has always been supportive to me, but I had only asked for 4 months, but if there was something better than what I have, I will have asked him to at least request for a release. Okay. But I don't think it's fair on my part to go and ask him back for a 1-year contract release.
Do you feel that, the AIFF telling you just 1 year, do you feel that it was like a question mark on your abilities because they said they want to then grade you for the 1 year?
I felt it. I was a bit hurt when Mr. Kushal Das, the secretary, brought to my notice that the executive committee wants to give me only for 1 year, and then for extension they want to see my abilities, how I perform. I'm really sad on this point because they have seen how this team, during my short tenure of 2.5 months, how they fared in Maldives, Qatar, UAE, and then again in Delhi, and of course the West Indies tour. I mean, it was really fantastic. Today the players have begun to believe in themselves. They can play against the best in the world. So that was something nice for me, and to ask me to prove my abilities again was something which I couldn't digest.
So as it stands now, Armando Colaco is no more associated with the Indian team. He is going to be with Dempo now. Is that the verdict?
Yeah, I told them, see, it's not fair for me to leave a 3-year contract and go back for 1 year. You can't do anything within 1 year. See, I-League starts now in October. Nearly for 8 or 9 months, the players will be away with the clubs. And where do I live with? I will be having nearly 12 days or 13 days coaching camp to play in the Asia Challenge Cup.
Dempo Sports Club will now be re-energized that their talismanic coach is back. The Blues fans will look forward to the tiki-taka brand of football made famous by Armando in Indian football scene. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from Panji.
Chogale College emerged university football champs on Monday by 7 goals to 6 in the penalty shootout. They defeated Government College of Kepe in the finals. Kepe last reached the finals 15 years back. Over in the Women's Championship finals, Carmel College snatched a win from Xavier's College as they won 5-4 on penalties.
The men's and women's finals both ended in a 1-all draw in regulation time, and both finals went into tiebreaker mode. In the first final of the day, St. Xavier's College Mapsa took on Carmel's College Nuwe. Xavier scored early in the second half and looked likely to go ahead and win the match, but a late goal from Nuwe girls pushed the match into tiebreaker mode. Carmels held their nerve to win 5-4 on penalties. In the men's final, Chogale College took on Government College of Kepe. The Kepe-based side were making it to the university tournament finals after 15 years. Both sides scored a goal apiece in the first half, and in the second half, Kepe launched wave after wave of attack but could not score. The match went into tiebreaker mode. Here are the highlights. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan.
The Chogale Tigers are winning the championship after 2 years. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.